Hey there, this is Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com with the weekly chart requests video. 70 names on this list today, so let's get started. First name is AMD. Long-term downtrend flashed with lower highs, lower lows. All the semis are in the same condition. AMD struggling to hold the 56 level. This level was a strong resistance across 2020. Now it's trying to act like a strong support, failing to hold 48, and we might even see the 38 level again, which was the COVID lows. Follow price and use the levels to manage your risk. Boeing, if we zoom out to the weekly, this trend line from February 9 held March 2020 and April 20, the COVID lows held May 2022, and now trying to hold also October and September lows. Failing to do so, we can go short. For long position, I will look for a weekly close above the 141.41 to the upside. Next, Bowl, nice uptrend channel with higher lows, higher highs. If you are not long yet, I would wait maybe for a pullback and a bounce from this lower trend line, or if we have a break out and above the upper trend line. CHD is next. CHD trying to hold the 71.72 level, which was also a support in June 2020, also a support May 19 and July 19. So this is a major support area. Failing to hold 64 will be next. DG Dollar General holding the 234 level. If we look left, we can see that this level, once it breaks below, breaks below this level, we can assume a big flash to the downside will come. So 234 short below. If you're looking for long, I will wait for long above the 250. Innoviz is next. Long-term higher lows. But if you're not long yet, I would wait for a weekly close or at least a 2-day close above the 490, short below the yellow line. Next, we have Netflix. Netflix is bouncing up and down from the 213 towards the 252, 251 area since July. So for long, I will wait for a break above the 252. For short, break below the 213. Always follow price. Use the levels to manage your position and risk. Nvidia is next. Same as AMD and same as many other semiconductors. Lower lows, lower highs since November 21. No long signals yet. If you are short, manage your risk and manage your position according to the levels. And if you're not short yet, you can go short. We can go short once price slides down this trend line. And of course, this is only my opinion, not a financial advice. Everything in this video is for educational purposes only. NWL trying to make a double bottom bounce of the 14 area. If we go left, we see that this area was also during 2019 was a strong support, might be a strong support also now. We need to wait for a validation. For me, validation will be 2 or 3 days closing above the 1470, short below 1380. Next, PLTR bouncing up and down, making higher highs, lower lows in this broadening formation. So if you want to go long, wait to see if this lower trend line holds and we get a bounce. Short, below this trend line, or if price bounce back to this trend line here, a reversal to the downside. By the way, if you missed my talk with Joe from Way of the Master 7 on trading the strat and broadening formation, link will be in the description below. Very interesting, very educational talk we had. Joe walks through his process. Roblox 3430, strong support from a strong resistance, so short below. If you're looking for long, we have this trend line here that we need a break above it, at least 2 or 3 days break above this red trend line. S is next. No long trigger for now. Downside, bears are in control here. We might see a bounce from the 1880, failing to hold the all-time lows. We might see 16, 5, and 14 to the downside. Tesla is next, 206, holding. This level held May 22, also held during 2021. If this one fails to hold, we might see all the way down to 160. Taiwan Semiconductors, nothing special here, same as all the semiconductors. Strong downtrend, bearish sentiment, very strong bearish sentiment. Next support level will be the 60, failing to hold 47 area. UNH, United Health Group. If we see this uptrend line that is holding higher lows since October 21, June 22, and October 22. So if you are long as price is holding above this trend line, you can still hold your long position, managing the risk according to the levels here. Short, a weekly close below this trend line here may trigger a short position. XLE struggling to close above the 83 level, checking this downtrend, retesting it, failing to bounce back up. We might see back to the 69 and 66. All this area, the 66, 69, is a support area. It was support area in February 22. It was a strong support area during July, and failing to break above the 84, we will see this area again. XPEV, Chinese EV manufacturer, the strong downtrend. If we go look at the monthly, this monthly 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row, very strong downside, bearish sentiment. If we go back to the daily, just sliding this trend line here, no long trigger, at least for now, no long trigger. So eyes on the levels and follow the price. Let me know in the section below what are your comments on this video and what are the stocks that you are following for the week ahead. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the opening bell.